Hey folks, welcome back. I tell you what, we're inside tonight and just gonna bring you some steak fries. The best ever steak fries is what I'm bringing you. Doing it on the Emeril 360 air fryer. I know it's the best ever steak fries is because the website where I got this awesome seasoning said it's the best ever French fry seasoning ever. Let's find out if they're right. Alright guys, I got 5 little russets here. Should probably be a little bit more than enough for my family. But I'm gonna get these cut into wedges here for you. Should be pretty simple. You've seen this done here. I'll do one for you. Put that one in half. Try to get them some little wedge size about like that. Put them in the water here to soak, get some of the starch off. Guys, I'm gonna get all of these cut back up and we'll get back to you. All right, into the water. Okay, while you weren't looking, I actually went over and drained the water that was in here and just refilled it with some good fresh cold water. The idea of this is we're gonna put this in the fridge and let it soak for about 30 minutes, and that's just to pull some of that starch out of there. Into the fridge we go. All right, it's been about 30 minutes and I've drained this off. I've rinsed out my bowl and got as much of the water off of it as I can. So I think we're pretty good to go. So now we need to season this up and get her in the air fryer. I talked about the seasoning I'm using this at the beginning of the video and it smells great. But tell you what folks, I don't feel comfortable using someone else's recipe, especially without their knowledge, and pasting the ingredients down below, which I normally would. What I'm gonna do, this recipe I got it from Pinterest. It come from the cozycook.com. I'm gonna put a link below to her webpage and this recipe, and check out her other stuff too. It looks really good. So rather than me putting her recipe out to her on my page, I'll send you to hers. Smells good though. All right, got my little misto here, and I'm just gonna start coating these guys. Really not using that much oil, folks, I promise you. Come in with our seasoning. In an air fryer type, I like to coat the seasoning up front. That's when you got your oil on there. We might hit it at the end with a little extra. Alright guys, let's get this thing fired up. Alright, just to prevent a little sticking, I'm just going to spray my crisper tray here. Gonna start lining. That's a big one there. Wow. Just gonna start lining these guys up. I'll probably have to use 2 trays here. Finish it up. Okay, I've preset this for 400 degrees on the air fryer setting. I'm shooting for 30 minutes. I have a feeling these might go closer to 40 minutes, but we'll check them after 30 and see what happens. Let's get her preheated. All right, guys. I think we are there. Check back in 30 minutes to see how we're going. All right, let's take a look at this thing. I think we're close. You know, those are very close actually, but I tell you what, I think we need another 10 minutes or so. Get the skin a little bit more crispy. I'm gonna rotate these folks, and I'll set about another 10 minutes and we'll come back and finish up. Change my time to about 10, 11 minutes. Let's go 11 minutes just to be sure. It'll do a little reheat and we're okay. I'm gonna kill this, guys, because I believe we are done. Looking at this, oh yeah, they're done. I'm gonna pull these out and get ready, feed our family, and come back and do a taste test for you guys. Y'all look at that. Crisp on the outside, nice and soft on the inside, just the way steak fries are supposed to be. Pay no attention to that steak there. That's nothing to see there, folks. Nothing to see. Let's get a taste of this. Nice and crisp on the outside, soft in the middle. Let's give these guys a shot. I want to test their seasonings out. You know, I'll tell you what. She bills this as the best ever French fry seasoning ever. She might be right. It's very good. I love it. Do another bite here. Thanks so much, guys. Check out the cozycook.com. Hey, tell her I sent you there. Great seasoning. I love this. Got a little cayenne in it. I can feel the burn a little bit on my tongue. Not much though, because I didn't add as much as even she recommended. So, but I can taste it. So thank you. Check her out. Hit the link below. And until next week, guys. God bless you. Bye bye.